Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how an iPhone trick. So I'm going to show you how to make your font size on your iPhone bigger. So first, you have to go to settings, and then you tap on settings, and then you can just scroll down to accessibility. So just tap accessibility, and then there number 3 it says display and text size. So you can just tap there, and then you can turn on the bold text. Just tap, and under the bold text it says larger text, so tap there, and then on the very bottom you move the toggle to the very right for the biggest size. And so you can just adjust the toggle for different font sizes. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.